Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make a Toyota Supra car. First, select a detailed model kit of your preferred Supra generation. Ensure you have all necessary tools, including a sharp hobby knife, model cement, and appropriate paints. Always begin by carefully reviewing the kit's instruction manual to understand the assembly steps and part identification. This preparation is crucial for a smooth and enjoyable building experience, leading to a fantastic finished model. Once prepared, start assembling the main components, such as the chassis, engine, and interior. Take your time to ensure parts fit correctly, using small amounts of glue. Next, focus on painting the body. Apply several thin coats of paint rather than one thick one to avoid brush marks and achieve a professional look. Finally, add the decals, using water to position them accurately before they dry, bringing your Supra model to life with authentic details. With the main assembly and painting complete, it's time for the finishing touches. Carefully attach smaller exterior details such as mirrors, wipers, and spoilers. These small parts significantly enhance the model's realism. After all parts are attached, apply a clear top coat to protect the paintwork and give your Supra a glossy, showroom finish. Finally, select an appropriate display case to protect your masterpiece from dust and proudly exhibit your beautifully crafted Toyota Supra model. To maintain your Toyota Supra model's pristine condition, regular care is essential. Gently dust the model with a soft brush to prevent buildup, ensuring its details remain visible. Always store your model in a cool, dry place away from direct sunlight, which can cause paint to fade and decals to peel over time. For keeping your entire space clean, check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. It offers voice control, self-emptying, and is pet-friendly. You can find a link to this and other great deals in the description below. Happy modeling!
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.